Wait, babe, I forgot to ask. Did you want a Gatorade too?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Alright. Yo! No. No. Stop. Bro, seriously.
Yo,
Baby.
what's wrong? Why'd you hit the door? That
Why'd
was
you-
loud.
Why'd you close it so hard?
That was really loud.
Baby, I love you.
What did I do? I closed it hard?
Yes.
I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry.
I love you. Be careful. Okay?
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Bye.
Are you sure you don't want Gatorade?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yo!